Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can import GPX file to Rouvy. So let's get straight into it. Now we are located in the app, but we will also need riders.rouvy.com. Okay, so as you can see here at the home page, you already see here imported GPX routes. Also, you can find this tab right here under the routes here at the left side. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find here my collections and imported GPX routes. So if we click on that, we will be redirected to the this riders.rouvy.com. Now what we can do is simply here import route in the top corner here. Import route the name, and then you just click to upload from your computer, and then you can check this elevation smoothing and then import. And you will see here under this section, you will then see this imported file. Also, just a moment that I find this section here now. You can see here that you can search these routes here to through this riders.rouvy.com. So wherever you are, so let's say in Germany or Brussels, we can have also England. We have some option here. Let's say we will choose this one here. And just like that, you will see it here, and you can open in the app. We will need to wait a little bit, I think. Just like that. And now we can start our ride. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.